This Mr. Heater 210,000 BTU Forced Air Kerosene Heater. Safe, easy warmth for when the temperature drops. Stay warm when you're working hard. Mr. Heater 210,000 BTU Forced Air Kerosene Heater is great for those repairs that can't wait until after winter. Equipped with a high output, fully enclosed motor and adjustable thermostat. This unit effortlessly heats up to 5,250 square feet in just a few minutes. Plus, its high-limit safety switch turns the unit off in unsafe conditions, so you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about your heater. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Heats up to 5,250 square feet, 210,000 BTU per hour. Runs up to 9.5 hours on a full tank. 13.4-gallon fuel tank. For use with kerosene 1 and 2. Diesel 1 and 2, home heating oil. And JP8. Heavy-duty construction with the enclosed motor. Easy off-access panel and side lift handle. Overheat safety shut-off. Continuous ignition. Thermostat for temperature control. Fuel gauge. Large pneumatic rubber tires and steel handle for easy transport. CSI certified. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 210,000 BTU Forced Air Kerosene Heater for up to 5,250 square feet. Number 2. 14-gallon fuel tank provides up to 8 hours of heat. Adjustable thermostat. Number 3. High output fan. No flame and overheat safety sensors with auto shut off. Number 4. Power indicator light, cord storage. Oversized tires for smooth transport. Number 5. Measures approximately 18 by 40 a fifth by 22 inches. 1-year limited warranty, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.